Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. Success does not come suddenly. Success starts with discipline. Discipline means controlling your work, time, and habits. Discipline helps you work even when motivation is missing. Those who are disciplined can move forward consistently. Without discipline, goals remain just dreams. Small disciplined actions every day create big success. Discipline keeps you away from laziness. Successful people know how to control themselves. Discipline feels hard at first, but the results are sweet. So, if you want success, start a disciplined life today. So that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.